Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. Letter A is our sum of two cubes, and letter B is our difference of two cubes. For you to find the factors of the sum of two cubes, we need to separate it. So A raised to 3 and plus B raised to 3. And let A our first term and B our second term. So we have A plus B, which is here. And we need to square the first term and minus the product of the first and the second term and square the second term. Letter B, same steps, but the only difference are the signs. If it is sum, it's add here, and the other one is minus. What if it is difference, the sign here is minus, and the other sign is add or plus. Now let's move on to our examples. So our first given is x cubed plus 8y cubed. So here, and it will be our first term and it will be our second term. So it will be x plus 2y, which is here. So the next step is to find the square of the first term, which is x squared, minus the product of the first and the second term, which is minus 2xy. And lastly, get the square of the second term, which is 4y squared. So the factors of x cubed plus 8y cubed will be x plus 2y times x squared minus 2xy plus 4y squared. So let's move on to another example. So the given is x cubed minus 8y cubed, which is equals to x raised to 3 minus 2y raised to 3. So this is our first term and our second term, which is x minus 2y. So we need to square the first term and add the product of our first term and second term, which is plus 2xy, and square the last term, which is 4y squared. So the factors of x cubed minus 8y cubed is x minus 2y times x squared plus 2xy plus 4y squared.